All right, there's what happened. Cracked right off the back of the case. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. Yep. It broke. And oh no, you don't have to. By the way, I'm just. Look at that. Got the axles out. Oh yeah. Wow. No notice at all. The dry shaft had the carrier bearing went, and then I guess just everything at one time, and it kind of like boom, just made a pop noise. I wasn't even driving fast. Wasn't even doing nothing.
It was just giving up.
Yeah, I just was going up the hill. I gave it a little bit of gas, and then boom, because the carrier bearing just popped, and it made it flop around, I guess, and that caused that, I guess. So, chain reaction. That's kind of messed up. Anyway, hopefully we'll have it back shortly. There's a new disc, gonna go in it. Brand new. Wow. This is killing me, you don't even know. I mean, I only got 26,000 miles on the car. I barely drive the car. That is a 2019. But I don't beat it or nothing like that. I don't sit there and do donuts in the road or nothing like that. But I mean, that carrier bearing just made a pop noise. I heard something on the floorboard, and I know it's a carrier bearing. Yeah. And the next thing I started hearing this little squeaky noise. You know, like a little chirp noise all the time. And sure as hell, we took the diffuser down and take a look under there, and there it was. Oh. I don't mind driving the Ram, but I missed the car. All right, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.